Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my 10-minute morning beauty routine. I'm not an expert at all. This is just my quick version of getting ready in the morning. I'm a full-time working mom of a toddler, so any ounce of time I can get not doing these type of things I appreciate. So I just finished priming my face and now I'm putting on my light coverage foundation. For my everyday, I don't go with a full heavy foundation, I just do a light foundation. It has the stick applicator. I know it's probably not the most sanitary to use it directly on my face, but that's just what I do to be quick. I'm using a beauty blender to blend my foundation in. I do use a concealer, but unfortunately I lost mine, so today I'm just using my foundation, and of course I am broken out for this, but so this is going to be my version of a very quick makeup. Like I said, it takes me about 5 minutes. This is pretty much the bare minimum. If I do my makeup, I have a type of job where I don't see my clients face to face, so I don't even really need to wear makeup, but on days that I want to feel put together, I just do a very quick morning routine so that I can spend the other time in my morning doing stuff I want to do. And now I'm putting on blush. I feel that a little bit of blush just makes me look more awake, more rosy. To me, it's a staple of makeup. One of my hacks is that I don't do a full eyebrow. That takes me way too long. So what I do is I just fill in mostly the ends of my eyebrow, which is where my hair is the most blonde and I have the least amount of hair on my eyebrow. I think this is just a quicker way to do your eyebrows without having to do the full thing. Obviously it doesn't look as nice, but it's enough to just make it look put together. I think you're supposed to do your eyebrows before your foundation, but like I said, this is just my very quick, fast morning throw on my makeup. So to fix that, I just go over it with the beauty blender again, just in case the brush left marks. So I'm going over with a pressed powder that does have a tint of color to it. This is kind of like setting my foundation. I did use the light coverage foundation, so using this pressed powder with a little bit of color to it, I think just makes my face a little more covered. I really like matte looking makeup, and also since I'm not wearing any eyeshadow or eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I cover my eyelids so that they stay dry. And I am doing my first round of mascara. I like to do multiple rounds of mascara because I think that makes them fuller. So I'm doing the first round now, looking very silly as everybody does when they put on mascara. And then I'm going to switch to do my hair, which gives my eyelashes time to dry, and then I end with one final coat of mascara. So now I'm going to shift gears and do my hair. I like to separate into parts my hair. It seems like it takes more time, but in the end I think this saves me time because I know that I've gotten every piece of hair and it's more planned out. So if I do my hair in chunks, it's faster to get through each section of hair, and then I'm not going over the same spot twice because I'm not sure if I got it, and I'm less likely to have to go over the same spot again later on to fix it. So I think in the end, parting your hair into sections actually does save you time. Now in the hair department, as far as getting ready quickly goes, I'm very lucky. As you can see, I don't have a lot of hair and I have very thin hair, so it doesn't take much time to go through it. But what I like to do is shower the night before. I sleep on wet hair, and then in the morning all I have to do is straighten it. I really like this because I think it saves me a lot of time. I don't have to blow dry it, even though it looks better if I have fresh blow dried hair. It still, it saves me so much more time, and that's just what I appreciate more right now. Now I'm putting on my last coat of mascara to make them a little bit more fuller and longer. And I'm able to kind of rush through my mascara. May not seem like it, but I can rush through it faster since I'm not wearing any eyeshadow or eyeliner, and I can go over afterwards and use a Q-tip to just clean up the mess I made when I was trying to act quickly, and that does the trick and leaves everything sharp. So I hope you enjoyed my quick routine. Let me know if you want to see other videos like this. Please comment what your little beauty hacks are to save time and give me a subscribe. Thanks.